everyone, welcome to another Diwali special. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful and colorful backdrop made out of paper lantern, paper fireworks and paper diya garland. For this I have a 4-size paper in 3 different colors in orange, red and yellow. We are going to take the red color and leave it as it is. We will take the orange color paper. We will make 3 strips of 3 centimeters. After making the lines, we'll cut it out. We'll take the red color paper and we will put glue on the orange color and paste this on the red paper. We will apply glue on the second strip as well and paste this one for above. Now we will apply glue on the third piece as well and we will paste this one in the middle. Now we will take our yellow color paper. We will make 4 squares of 7 by 7 centimeters. We will apply glue on the back side of the yellow squares and we will paste these like this. Next we will make long strips of crepe paper in many different colors, and the strips will be 2 centimeters in width and 35 centimeters in length. We'll turn our decoration over, we'll mark it on 2 centimeters, and we will make a line there. We will put glue here on this 2 centimeters that we have marked, and we will paste our crepe paper pieces in a line. Next we will take another red color paper and we will take yellow color paper. On this red color paper we are going to make multiple rectangles of 5 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And we will cut these out. After making 4 rectangles, we are going to make 2 squares of the same red color paper, and each piece will be 4 by 4 centimeters. After drawing 2 squares, we will cut these out. And now of each square, we will cut this diagonally in half. Do the same with this one as well. We will take our rectangle now, put some glue here on the tip and paste 1 triangle on it like this. That's the same that we are going to do with all the pieces. Next we are going to make 4 strips of orange color paper, and each strip will be 1 by 8 centimeters. And then we'll cut out the strips. We will apply glue on the tip and paste 1 strip on 1 paper rocket that we have. And like this we will paste all the strips on all the paper rockets. We will make 4 squares of 3 by 3 centimeters on the yellow color paper, and we will make small stars from these. I've made a detailed video on how to make stars. You can watch that video to see the detailed steps. have made the paper stars, we'll put glue on it and paste one star on each paper rocket. After having done that, we will take yellow color paper and make thin strips of 1/2 centimeter. And we are going to paste our paper strips diagonally on our decoration. After we have pasted the strips, we'll cut out all the excess. All the excess that is sticking out of the decoration. We'll do the same with these other 3 as well. Next we'll take the same yellow strips, but cut very small pieces from these, more so triangle shapes. We'll take a piece, put glue on it, and randomly paste it on our decoration. Next we'll take squares of 10 by 10, 8 by 8 and many other sizes, and for these I'll take yellow and orange color paint and make small stars. Like this, we are going to make stars in different sizes. We are going to make paper strips. We will be needing 4 strips of each color. Each strip will be 1 centimeter in width, and the length doesn't matter, depends on your choice. Make as many pieces as you like. After we have made the paper strips, we will take 2 pieces, we'll put some glue in the middle of one and paste the other piece on it like a plus. Put some glue on it and paste another piece like this diagonally. And paste one more piece. We have used 4 pieces to make this, and like this we are going to make many pieces of paper fireworks. After we have made the paper fireworks and we have completed all the decorations, it's time to decorate. I've made this paper dia garland, check the video that I have in the description. I've made an entire video on this in which I've shown you how you can make 3 different Diwali garlands. I'll be linking that video in the description below, and I'll be also linking it at the end of the video. I've already made that decoration, so I won't waste your time. You can just click on the video and watch how to make it. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations. I have many other Diwali decorations, birthday decorations, and all kinds of other decorations and DIYs. Do have a look at them, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest designs.